yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Ellen. I'm 30 years old from San Mariano, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a Christian. I'm blessed with two children. My daughter is 12 years old and my son is 6 years old. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. I have four brothers and five sisters. I am a high school graduate. My work experience are I work here in Philippines for 2 years. I serve four members of the family,
You can
such
hold
a
the phone.
couple,
Yeah, you can hold like
two,
this. Yeah.
ch- two children, 14 years old boy and 6 years old girl. And also I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 7 months. I serve also for four members of family, such a couple, two children, 17 years old boy and 12 years old girl. My main duties are taking care of children, doing laundry, wash dishes, ironing, hindi, and maintaining the cleanliness of the house.
Okay, so your first job is KSA or Philippine? Your first domestic job, domestic helper job.
Ah, Philippines, ma'am.
Philippines. Okay, which year
Yes.
you work in Philippines? Which year to which year?
May 2020, ma'am, to May 2022.
Okay, okay, 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. You take care of 14 years old boy and 6 years old girl. Can you tell me what is your daily routine like? What time you need to wake up in this family?
I wake up 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see.
To like 10 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
in the afternoon, the
Okay,
evening. Yes, ma'am.
I see. How about in KSA?
Yes.
Which year to which year in KSA?
August 2023, ma'am, to March 2025, ma'am.
Okay, so 2023 to 2025. Okay, 1 year and
Yes.
7 months. Why just 1 year and 7 months?
My employer, ma'am, decides to migrate in Egypt, ma'am.
Egypt. Okay, you
Yes,
cannot
the
follow them,
Egypt.
right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I see. And for this family, are you the only one helper or you have coworker?
I'm the only one, ma'am, because they
Okay.
live in apartment only, ma'am.
Oh, it's not a big house.
Yes, ma'am. They Egyptian, ma'am, not
Oh,
Saudi.
not Saudi. Okay, okay. I see. So what time you wake up for this family?
I wake up when it's school days, ma'am. I wake up at 6. I prepare the snacks of the two kids, and I will go back in my room and I will start my work at 8 a.m., ma'am.
8 a.m. Okay.
Then end at 10 p.m., ma'am.
Same with your working time in Philippines. Okay,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
this employer, they're Egypt, 12 years old and 7 years old, they're teenagers already.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no young kid, right?
No, no, no,
Okay, I
nothing.
see. I see. Can you tell me what is your job here? Like after you wake up at 8 a.m., what you need to do a day?
I start to clean the room, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
then the whole
How about breakfast?
apartment, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Then after that, I wash laundry,
Mm-hmm.
then the dishes, then I ironing them.
Okay, so um, what what breakfast you prepare for them?
Only sandwich, ma'am, like Nutella sandwich, egg sandwich. Then the boy, ma'am, is salad only because
Oh,
his diet, ma'am.
oh, diet. Okay,
Yes,
teenager.
ma'am.
I see. How about lunch and dinner? What is their eating
Um,
style? Western.
their mother prepared, ma'am. Then I will heat only in the microwave, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So you don't have to cook dinner.
Uh, at my madam, ma'am, cook at every Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
When he Yes, ma'am. Then I will help only my madam to cook all the
Okay.
I
So
prepare, ma'am.
Okay, and then reheat it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm,
Then every Thursday and to until Sunday they eat outside, madam.
I see. Okay. So, do you think that you can cook Chinese food in Hong Kong?
Ma'am?
Do you think that you can cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I willing to learn, ma'am.
Do you know how to do baking? Baking.
A little, madam.
You never do baking
Huh?
or you have
Uh,
experience?
I total, ma'am. I work also at the baker, so I have also a little
I
how
see.
to bake.
Mm, okay. Okay, I see. For your own experience, you have a kid 6 years old, right? Which
7 years.
year? 7 years old. Which year you
I
give
6
birth?
years, ma'am.
Which year you give birth for your kid? 6
Um,
years old. Do you remember?
it's so
2020, is
long.
it 2020? When you are working in the
Thousand.
Philippines, you give birth to your kid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I see. So you have the experience of taking care of your own kid since newborn. I see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me if because you have two kids, 12 and 6 years old, what will you
Yes,
do
ma'am.
if they two are fighting?
Um, I took the eldest, madam.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Will you separate them?
yes, madam.
You just tell me the truth. It's okay. Like, well, if your kid like they're fighting with each other, they keep fighting. So what will you do to stop it?
I will talk to the elder, madam.
Mm-hmm.
Then I will explain. Then I will. I explain that she need to understand the youngest, madam.
I see. Okay. If you come Hong Kong, who will take care of your kid, husband,
Ma- no, ma'am, my family.
your family? So do you have
Yes,
living
madam.
partner? Do you have husband?
Uh, I'm a single mom, madam, but I have a
Living
live-in
partner.
partner, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The living partner is the father of the kid, right?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. It's different. Okay, I see.
Uh,
So how about the father of the kid? Already separate.
he have own family, madam, also.
Oh, I see. I see. So so if he also give you money to raise the kid or no financial support
Mm.
anymore.
Sometimes, madam, he give, sometimes no.
Oh, I see. So you have to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, madam, for my daughter, for my child.
I see. Okay. Do you think that you can do tutoring also, like assist the assignment, homework with the kid?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Let's see. Do you know how to sing nursery song?
Yes, madam.
Like, can you show me?
A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P
Okay.
Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, can you sing with me?
Thank you. You're so so good, so no need to be shy. Okay, and do you have your own pet, dog and cat?
Mm, I have a dog, madam.
You have a dog. Okay, so
Yes.
you like taking care of dog also.
Oh, I like dog and cat, madam.
Mm. Okay, I see. I see. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye
Bye
bye. Thank
bye.
you.